guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a Chinese remedy for a sore throat or a dry cough. I've actually got a slight sore throat at the moment, so this is perfect for me. What you'll need is some ginger. I've actually really like ginger, so I've used about an inch and a half here and just cut them into slices. I've also used about 2 to 3 slices of a lemon and then 250 ml of Coca-cola. You can use more, but there's quite a lot of sugar in this, so I didn't want to use too much. What you'll need is also a pan and a spoon as well. So basically just heat up your pan and then just mix in all the ingredients, and you're just going to bring that up to a boil and then just simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So instead of boring you in this video, I'm just going to fast forward a bit. Okay, so everything's inside, so you just need to wait until that comes to a boil and then just simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes.